Grab the direct current distribution box. Place the direct current distribution box in. Grab the inverter. Place the inverter in the indicated location. Grab the alternating current distribution box. Place the alternating. After the panels are connected, the first panel's negative terminal and the last panel's positive terminal become the main output wires of the whole string. These two wires are then brought together and connected directly to the DC. Here the wire is connected to the DC SPD and its other end is grounded. Open the box. This wire connects the inverter to the AC SPD. Last but not least, the AC SPD is connected to the utility. All done.